If your key mapping isn't working in LDPlayer, like controls not responding or keys doing nothing, yeah, let's fix that fast. First, restart the emulator. This clears temporary control glitches. Now, open the key mapping tool. Make sure your controls are actually set up correctly. If something feels off, reset it. Use the default layout and test again. Some games require specific control modes. Select the correct mode for your game. Check if keyboard input is enabled. If it's disabled, your keys won't register. Try running LDPlayer as admin. This fixes permission-related input issues. Other software can block inputs. Close overlay apps or key binding tools. Make sure you're using the latest version. Updates often fix control bugs. If nothing works, reset everything. Create a new instance or reinstall LDPlayer. So reset your key mapping, check input settings, remove conflicts, and update the emulator. That's how you fix LDPlayer control issues fast.